show y'all the box real quick, man. Y'all see, man, the Nike Dunks, man, the Virgils, all that good stuff, man. Hey, welcome back. I'm Reap, and I appreciate you for tuning in. As you can see, you know, we got different vibes today, you know. Temporary setup. It just depends on how y'all like it, man. So if y'all like it, then we can keep rocking with the setup for a couple videos. But for now, I'm trying something different. So you can tell from the title, thumbnail, and all that, we got this exclusive access from Nike, man. I still can't believe it. And you see we got the, you know, the new box without the Nike tape all over it, you know, trying to get you knocked out here, man. But yeah, so I guess quick story time. I don't want to make it too long. But as you know, trying to get these dunks were nearly impossible, man. So you had to get the exclusive access on it. So I'm on Snkrs app every day doing like the release joint. So it was like the final day. You know, access goes out at noon. And then I guess the leftover access goes out at 1. So noon, I'm clicking on links, I'm checking my Snkrs account, checking the inbox, nothing. So I'm like, alright, whatever, cool, I didn't get them. I'm not tripping. Because there was only 2 that I wanted. I wanted lot 1 or lot 50. So the chances of me hitting those were already slim. So I was like, alright, whatever. So then 1 o'clock came, and now I'm at work. So, you know, I get the app notification, the Twitter notification to check the app or whatever, check the link. So I'm clicking the link. I'm still not getting anything. So I'm like, okay, whatever. So I get back on Snkrs app. Then I check my inbox again, and they sent me access without notifying me. So then I look through my notification screen. Then I see like the actual notification, but I'm like, it didn't even pop up. Mind you, I was on my phone the whole time. So boom, I go ahead. Well, let me go ahead and show y'all the box real quick, man. Y'all see, man, the Nike Dunks, man, the Virgils, all that good stuff, man. So as I was saying, I went through the joint, tried to get my size 12. It was a no-go. Sold out like that. So I'm like, oh, alright. But then I refreshed it, then it was a 13. So I was like, okay, maybe I can finesse the 13. See what happens. Tried the 13, done. So I'm like, alright, well, whatever, man. I got access, I missed it. So now I'm just stuck. So then I was thinking like, I don't want this to go to waste. So let me see if I can get any other size. So like the biggest size they had in man was a 9. So I was like, let me try it. Because usually, you know, I just go through this to see and it'll say the same thing. But I clicked on that 9 and I checked out. So I was like, okay. So I posted it on my story. And then I want to say within like an hour and a half, you know, so I got an offer. So hey, shout out to Chris. Appreciate you, brother. Once I go and get this review off, man, we're going to figure it out and get these babies to you, man. So you got the Swiss cheese, you know what I'm saying, Snkrs box. You got the Virgil Nike shoe stitching. You got the off-white signs. You got the, you know what I'm saying, the circles. What is this? You got a tag up there. See that's coming through. What else we got? What else? On the back, we got the lot number. Okay, so I do have lot 9, or should I say Chris has lot 9. Let's see how these joints look, though. Hope they're tough. And then the label reads Nike Dunk Low, sale neutral grade, size 9, of course. And the USD on these is 180, so they definitely changed the tags on the box. I know a lot of people, you know, they were getting off of that refund, you know what I'm saying? But I didn't, but it's all good, I ain't tripping. So you got the off-white paper, you know what I'm saying? The yellow or orange. Let's go ahead and see this together, you know? Cause I've seen pictures of how they look, but I haven't seen them in hand, so. Okay, I got a little sneak peek. These joints are tough. I'm not even gonna hold you. Whew. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be careful, you know, cause it's not my pair. Let's be delicate. But boom. You got the off-white dunks, man, that lot 9. I'm not even gonna hold you, man. The leather pairs are probably the best. If I was able to get my size and it wasn't lot 1 or lot 50, a leather pair, I probably would have been cool. Like this colorway, I'm not even mad at it. You got the pink bungee cord. You got the I guess the yellow. Yeah, like a laser orange, I would say. Zip tie. You know, that matches the tongue. You know, the deconstructed Nike off-white tongue. Of course, you got the inside graphic right there. Let me see. These are tough. I'm not even gonna lie. These are tough. I'm kind of low-key upset that it's not a 12, but it's all good. You got the lot 9 out of 50. You got the typical off-white Beaverton logo, all that stuff right there. The material is not that bad. You know, the leather is pretty decent. The toe box is like a canvas. Let me see if that's too much light. There we go. I don't know if that's coming up, but it's like a canvas material. You got the off-white or sail midsole. This, I mean, I know I was talking a lot of trash about, you know, he's making the same shoe 50 times or 48 times or whatever. But this colorway itself, like as a standalone colorway, I feel like it would probably do numbers, to be honest. So, you know, you got the double laces, of course. You got the white laces with the off-white shoelace branding and all that good stuff. Nike on the back, nothing crazy. You got the tail hits. You know, I showed you the lot, and then you got the little pull tab, or just the little heel tab, I should say. And then on the second shoe, yep, pretty much it's the same, nothing different. But you got the different graphic on the insole, if you can see that. Overall, man, oh, let me see if I can pull this up. You got the Nike, like, old sportswear tongue tag on the joint off to the side. You will see that, like, on, like, the old Tailwinds. I want to say maybe, like, the Destroyers. I know I had it on, I can't even remember the shoe. It was a while back, but it had a similar, I think it was a Challenger or something. I don't know, man. So it's like an old school Nike running tag or toe tag, whatever. Not toe tag, tongue tag. I'm wilding right now. But yeah, it's not bad at all. You know, no blemishes from what I can see. So, Chris, if you're watching this, you're getting a pretty good pair, quality control wise. Oh yeah, of course, spoke too soon. You got a little bit of something right there, but you can rub that off with some crap or something, man. Ain't that crazy. But yeah, you know, let me know down in the comments if you were able to get exclusive access. You know, if you're trying to get these on the aftermarket, you know, just let me know. Personally, the only 2 pairs that I really wanted, they're going for like way too much, and I'm good on that. But hopefully, you know, my luck continues with Snkrs. That's why I really went ahead and bought whatever I could get, just because I didn't want it to go to waste. So I want them to keep me in that algorithm, so, you know, I can start getting some Snkrs W's, because I feel like the same people win everything on Snkrs. So hopefully I can join that ram, get you guys more reviews, more unboxings, and I definitely need those Lightnings or Tour Yellow 4s this weekend. So hopefully Nike will go ahead and bless your boy. So that's gonna do it, man. You got your boy E.Reap, man. As you can see, if you haven't done so already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and turn on those post notifications so you won't miss my next video. You know what I'm saying? You got God bless whoever hating on me hat. Shout out to the homies over there doing it big, man. But yeah, on to the next one.
When I walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your girls and now you're excited.